When you choose to join the armed forces, you have actually thought of the best in life. What Army taught me is to strive for excellence, and you can't taste success unless you give your best shot. प्रिय शौरवीर, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बधाई देता हूं कि आपने शौर्य भारत ऐप को चुना है अपने डिफेंस फोर्सेस की तैयारी के लिए। हमारे लिए भी ये बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है कि हम आपके लिए बेहतरीन वीडियो कंटेंट लेके आए हैं। शौर्य भारत ऐप के माध्यम से हम आपको वचन देते हैं गुणवत्तापूर्ण पाठ्य सामग्री एवं अनुभवी फैकल्टीज द्वारा तैयार किए गए वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स का। तो जुड़िए शौर्य भारत ऐप की दुनिया से। जय हिंद।
Hello everyone, this video is brought to you by Shaurya Bharat. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. So gentlemen, today we will discuss on the topic Indo-US relation. As we all know, India and US have recently developed a good type of relationship in international geopolitics. But India is also refusing the relations with many other countries like Russia and the ASEAN countries in terms of for them. And it is becoming more and more vulnerable for India that how to deal with the countries and their relations with all the countries of the world. US being the superpower, we have seen that everyone wants to be a friend with a superpower, and India is also a good friend. And US is also showing its interest in India because it wants to develop its trade as well as it wants to counter China and wants himself to be as a superpower in the Indian Ocean, because Indian Ocean is the biggest trade route of the world. So US may seem selfish sometimes, but still US is becoming a good friend of India. We shall discuss on this topic that how this relation can be maintained and how this relation can be prospered in future times. But before that, we should start with the personal introduction session, and we will begin from here.
My name is Lakshman. I belong to Mehta Nagor. My father's name is Gemaram. He is a farmer. And my mother's name is Kamla. She is a housewife. And I completed 10th and 12th class from RBC board. And my hobby is playing cricket and watching TV. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream, and in this job gives us many opportunities. And I love the dignity of aircraft and blue uniforms. Thanks. Today's our given topics Indo-US relationships. We know that India is a superpower. United States is a superpower, but India is a developing country. The ancient time prominent leaders of India had moment of with a good relation with the United States from 1947. In ancient time between the 20th century, there are normal relations, and we can say that there are Cold Wars and there are many regions. But in the 21st century, there like to the sex, we can say that good relation we can say that in defense lines, in education lines, also there more and more technologies, we can say good relation between India and China relationship. Thank you.
Jain sir, my name is Kamal Godara. I belong to Nagor, Rajasthan. My father's name is Kemaram Godara. He is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I passed my class 10 with 90% and 12 with 94% from RBS board. And in present, I am currently pursuing BSc from MDS University. My hobbies are playing volleyball and interacting with new people. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream, because I love aircrafts and the dignity of blue uniforms. And the Indian Air Force also provide advantage life and a respectful life in our society. And now I am going to play my views on today's topic Indo-USA relationship. First, in in 1955, USA come closer ties with Pakistan, but in 1990, India provided limited logistic support to America during the Gulf War. After all this, America come closer. After all this, America come closer in with India because America also want to counter on China, and second is India is the largest importer of arms by America, and third and most is the India is the ninth largest good trading partner of USA. But India should also stand with America because America provides the most opportunity to become India as a permanent partner of UNSC. And second is USA has the top source of FDI. And after all this, want I want to say that India should also give respect, and it is said that give respect, take respect. So India should provide a good relationship with USA.
My name is Rahul Singh. I belong to Jodhpur. My father's name is Raju Singh. He is in Indian Army. I have completed my 10th and 12th class from Army School with 93% both. I have also taken part in 2 times in quiz competition. I also won it, and once in inter-house debate competition. Now coming to my hobbies, in my free time I used to read the mythology fiction books and also watching the Hollywood movies. I want to join the Indian Air Force because I love the lifestyle of the Air Warriors and the adventurous life that Air Force provides us. There will always be the opportunities for learning new things in the Indian Air Force. Now coming towards our today's topic, India-US relations. Friends, as we all know that USA is the superpower of the world and also the largest country by terms of economy and the defense. So having a good relation with such a country is not only a blessing but also a need of every country. Both India and the USA are the large countries in terms of population and area. Having the large coastlines, both are democratic, secular, having the same threat of Islamic terrorism. So it's a great need that both have so much similarities, so have good relations with them. Talking about our history, the history of our relations, just after our independence and the partition of our country, USA have always supported Pakistan and always anti-India. During the nuclear test at the Pokhran, it was the USA which sanctioned India. During the Kargil War during 1999, when India demanded the GPS system from the USA, they have declined it. But after that, the relations have really changed completely and drastically. In their foreign policy, India has become the friendly partner, and all the presidents of the USA currently, so after Barack Obama, Donald Trump, and Joe Biden, they are the good friends of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So at last, I want to say by saying that the future belongs to the good relations between India and USA, and we can prosper both together. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Mahendra Singh Bhati. My father's name is Siddharth Singh Bhati and this is private job. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I did 10 with 66 and 12 with 82% from RBSc Rajasthan board. Now I am pursuing BSc plus MCC with Rajasthan University. My hobbies is playing a puzzles game like Sudoku and Rubik's Cube. I want to join Indian Air Force because Air Force give me a chance to work with world's best technology. I love aircraft and dignity of uniform, and I love adventures, pride and satisfaction job. So today's our GD topic is relation between India and United States. So the relation between both countries has always been up and down, because we know that when we independent in 1947, then we start trade with the US in 1950. So we export huge amount of foods, grains and provisions items, and they also helping in developing of funds, and they also want to work with trade in India, because when China independent in 1949, then they were also in including in trade war, and in this time the trade war was increasing, and China and America is at the first position, and they have heavy competition. So America is indirectly work with India, and say they compressed to China. So, but after and this relation is also seen when we are war with Indo-China Indo-China War in 1962, then America helped our country. We know that this relation is also in a political relation. So in 1965, when Indo-Pak was held, then US is indirectly helped to Pakistan in defense equipment, and in 1971 at Bay of Bengal war, then the US is also support directly to help in defense equipment. And when 9/11 attack held in United States, then they are shocked because the terrorist group are belong to Pakistan. Then they shocked, and they from those time to till now they work with India and against to tackle in the terrorism and increasing our trade and from even our from according to latest report, our by trade lateral trade is now either tripled, and according to latest report, it's also been from futures 10 year we touched the 500 million dollar trades with the US.
Hello friends, my name is Bhaanu Pratap Singh. I am from Ajmer, Rajasthan. My father's name is Narendra Singh. He is a farmer. I completed my 10th with 78% and 12th with 62% from RBSC. My hobbies are to playing kabaddi, cricket and kushti also. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream, and Air Force provide me adventures and respectful life. The Air Force motto, "Touch the sky with glory," is enough to join Indian Air Force because each word in this motto filled with inspiration and honor. Let's come to the topic. Today's our topic is India and US relations. US and India is the largest and the biggest democracies in the world. In Cold War era, after 1991, they became strategic allies. The downward slide in the relation between two democracies started in 1954 after because the US support the Pakistan and became central allies, and to counter this Indian India made with USSR and strategic and military contact with the USSR. The relation between US and India is important for US because India provides them a largest amount of consumers for American goods, and they also need a control in South Asia and Indo-Pacific region, and it is important for India because India in wartime need a best technology. Then the US provide the best technology for India and help in GDP also.
My name is Mr. Sharma. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I completed my 12th from RBSC board. My father name is Mr. Anil Kumar Sharma. He is a teacher. My mother name is Ms. Sapna Khandela. She is also a teacher. I have one sibling. My hobbies are playing kabaddi and reading novels. I represent my district in a state championship. Reason of joining Air Force, this is not only my dream, but my parents want to see me as an airman, and I also like the blue uniform of Air Force. Thank you. Today's our topic is Indo-US relations. US is the oldest and India is the largest democracy in the world. And in 1947, US former President Roosevelt emphasized our Indian independence, and both are the strategic partner in the world status. And if we see the our past relations in the Cold War era, there are two major blocs. The first one is US and the second was USSR. And India remains the non-aligned, but we quite close to the USSR. That's why US is not keep quite good relations with us, and they support Pakistan. And not in the 1971 Indo-Pak War, and 1974 we tested our first nuclear test, and he imposed the sanctions on us to stopping nuclear materials to us. But nowadays our relation is becoming quite good. We take so many defense equipments from the US like a C-70 Glowmaster, Apache helicopters and so on. And we did so many of deals with the US like a LEMO Logistic Exchange Memorandum Agreement and Comcast and Becca. These deals will improve our relations with the US.
Hello friends, my name is Guru Singh. I am from Palauti. My father's name is Mr. Zalim Singh. He is a farmer. I have completed my 10th with 89% and 12th with 83%. My hobbies are to play cricket and watch movies, and I am also good in badminton. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the dignity of uniform, and Air Force provides us good and adventurous life. Now I come to today's topic. Today's topic is Indo-US relationship. In history, the relationship between both countries was part of ups and downs. After independence in 1950, we were largely dependent on America and Russia for goods and provision of development fund. But the USA support Pakistan in 1965 and 1971 in Indo-Pak War, directly and indirectly. But in 2001, when 9/11 attack on the US, then USA realized that it was Pakistan. It was Pakistan, so USA should realize that he should support India. After the 2001, both countries ties to support each other. In last decade, USA surpassed Russia in military equipments like M777 howitzer, Chinook, etc. So the future is full of optimism. There were full of trade and a boost for India and USA economy.
My name is Ashish Surya and I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father's name is Ramkumar Surya and he is officer in Punjab National Bank. I scored 82% in my 10th class and 76% in my 12th class from RBSC board. I like to and currently I am pursuing bachelor's in computer application. I like to play badminton, skipping and chess. I want to join Air Force as it will provide us the opportunity to work with the most high-tech and advanced arms weapons and aircraft. And it also splits my feeling of patriotism, and I love the dignity of the uniform, and it's my childhood to join Indian Air Force. So let's come to our today's topic. USA has been a supporter of India's independence since World War II, and it's provided many aids of almost $1.7 billion after the Indian intervention, which includes 931 million of food and supported in India in Sino-India War in 1962 by providing arms, ammunition and clothing. But after independence, after the President Kennedy, the Indo-USA relationship deteriorated exponentially, and after in the administration of Richard Nixon, USA left its neutral position from the war of Indo-Pakistan war, and it was shifted towards the Pakistan. As we all know, USA was more inclined towards Pakistan as compared to India, but due to its increase in terrorist activities, it shifted to India in the administration of Trump. In economic sector, USA and India are having a bilateral trade of $75 million, which USA is deficit of $21 million. And defense sector, we are exporting and importing many arms and equipments. And at last, I want to conclude there is so many ups and downs in India and USA relationships, and there is always a positive and negative points of India, irrespective of president in power. So it's Indian duty to more focus on their sovereignty rather than depending on USA. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. My name is Rubri. I am from Jodhpur. My father's name is Rubri. He is a farmer. We are three siblings in my family. I passed 10th with 86% from RBSC and 12th with 81% from RBSC. My hobbies are to read methodological events and are to play Bollywood and crossword puzzles. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the dignity of the uniform and everyone is equally important in Air Force and also my parents want to see me in uniform. Thank you. So let's come to the topic. Today's my topic is Indo-USA relation. As we know that India has the largest world largest democracy and USA the oldest democracy. According to the WPS survey, 71% of Americans 71% of Americans considered as a favorite Indians in 2015. US economic is 21.4 million and India's economy is $2.9 trillion. $2.9 billion. So I talk about the part of relation between India and China, and in 1962 war was started with China, and our Prime Minister PM Nehru requested to the help from the USA, and USA was ready to provide us arms and air supports. Then after in 1965 war started with Pakistan. USA fully supported to the Pakistan in air and armed supports. After that, in 1974, Pokhran experiments. Then after USA have applied the sanction on the India. Finally, after freedom, India did not have good relation with the USA, but now gradually increasing the relation day by day. Thank you.
Good morning, respected sir and all my friends. My name is Manish. I live in Jodhpur district. I have passed 10th class. At present time, I am pursuing BSc second year from Jaina Vyas University, Jodhpur. I have 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing football. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a very respectful job in our country. And the Indian Air Force provides all opportunity, personal lifestyle and serve the nation. Now I am going about the topic India and United States relation. India and United States both are democratic countries, and then relation is all world effect. The India freedom 1974, the India and US relation is normal. But 1954, the America support Pakistan, and India and US relation decrease day by day. Now 1974, India and Pakistan war, the China and US support Pakistan, and the 2001 attack on America, then realized dangerous to the terrorist attack and support India. The 2006 India and deal of defense is mostly, and some are exercise and Malabar, Yudavyas and more than, or future relation is America and India is best and improve day by day. Thank you.
My name is Jatin Kumar Sharma. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Jodhpur is famous for Maidan Board. I completed my 10th plus 2 in 2018 from RBS Board with Arts in Hindi medium from government school. My strength is that I have a positive attitude. My hobbies are playing cards and playing volleyball. I want to join Indian Air Force because I was inspired by an airman's lifestyle and personality. Second reason is that in their job, not only reservation and discrimination. When I come on the topic which is given to us, that is India-US relationship. India-US relationship in present time that is good. In 2019-20, USA was the first trade partner of India. During the Cold War era, there were two powerful countries, USSR and USA. USA leads the NATO alliance and USSR leads the Soviet Union. But India decided to remain as a non-aligned. But India was the close to USSR. But India was after independence during 1950, India depends on the USSR and USA for food and developing funds. Thereafter, in present time, India-USA relation is good and India is the biggest trade partner of USA. Thank you.
So gentlemen, we are gathered here to discuss on the topic Indo-US relationship. As we all know that India and US are becoming closer day by day due to their own personal interest in each other. But there are also many issues which have been raised by other countries, and India is able or not able to manage these issues and relation with other countries as well as US. We shall discuss this in this discussion. So I want you to discuss on the topic, and I also want you to give your opinion regarding what is the future aspect of this relation with United States of America. So we shall start our discussion now.
I now very excited for starting a group discussion, but I want that you give this chance to me. In my opinion, US supported in many times to India, but many times did not supported India. He was in against the India. Like I talk about the India-China war in 1962, US also supported the India, but in 1965 and 1971, Indo-Pak war in which war US not supported India and US was against in the India who supported the Pakistan.
Yes, friend, I agree with your point. I also want to add that just from our historical times after our independence, Pakistan, the US have always supported the Pakistan from the directly or indirectly. Also during
Yes, I agree with you, but the main thing is that why the US is supporting to Pak. So the main thing is that because we know that India have Indian Oceans, so US want to trade in our whole world. So India is not allowed to trade with if US trade with India, then they use our trade ports. But if they are not trade with India, then they are not Indians are not allowed to use their ports, and we know that US are feeling uncomfortable to trade with India because US is trade deficient with India. So they are mainly focused to trade with Pakistan. That's the reason.
Yes, you are right. I want to add some point in that. One reason is that US support the Pakistan. That is, India was non-aligned and India was close to the USSR. Or second reason is that India was newly independent. Thank you.
Yes,
I
friend.
India was more closer to USSR at that time after the independence.
Yes, friend, I
Like
agree with your point. I
which,
also want to add up that first we should focus on the historical relations. Just after independence, it always supported Pakistan. Then after in 1995, after our nuclear test in Pokhran, it have sanctioned us. During the Kargil war also, when we demanded the GPS system for the terrorist attacks and all.
Yes,
then
as
also
we know that, but the
after
main
that,
thing is that why the US is want to trade with India, because we know that when in 1949 China is independent, then China have a most population country in the world, and China and USA have a top holder in a trade war, and at that time trade wars also held. Then the USA is want to trade with India and defeat and surpass to China.
I agree with you, friend. USA is not only for the trade with India, but also in all other countries developing world. We know that USA is all a superpower, so there are many
defense lines are there are many jets and we can say that Apaches and Chinook there are also deal with the India's.
As
Yes,
I
I
mentioned in this point that the USA is trading with India to overcome the China, but there is also a strategic part for of the USA by trading in India, as they want to keep an eye and to check the activities of China with with the help of India, so that they can trade, they become a trade
Yes,
superpower.
I want to further add to your point that USA versus trade with India, so Donald Trump have always focused on a trade with India. But
Yes, I agree with you, friend.
Let me speak first. So Donald Trump always focused on doing a trade deal with India, but due to election it was never possible. And now both the countries are focusing towards doing a free trade agreement so that the trade can be balanced together.
Yes, I agree with you, friends. As you all know that every coin has to ask one good and second bad. Also, US has a good parts of trades and many more other best technology and gadgets. And in 2019, India and America has traded $149 billions, and their USA gives their best technology with many exercises like Ringbik, Asians, and many more like Malabas. So we should keep supported with USA.
Because we know that the US has always changed their agreement. Even we have take already the agreement, because I give an example in passport and H1B visa. US always change their policy. Always change their policy to achieve the H1B visa. When already have taken on the behalf of this agreement.
As you mentioned, USA is also a bit worried about the deficit in trade. That's why they are always changing their policies little bit. And they are also not accepting that they are deficit in trade billions, and they are blaming Indians that they are not getting fair chance in the Indian market.
And that's why they also get increasing in tax in dairy and provision department and automobile department, and India also increased the tax on mobile phones, because we know that in India the mobile market is a hub to and our country's peoples are take interest in this.
Yes, this trade war between the China and the USA. Then India is a big market for the USA as the China and trade war is going on. So for that also, and also one thing is that the trade will get balanced. Now I want to just focus some light on the defense ties with both the countries. As you know that we purchases from the USA about the helicopters, the Romeo Apache helicopters, and various other howitzer guns. While USA in return, it just the smart scale military equipment they used to purchase from.
India is the biggest defense partner of the USA. India is also
In 2014, India import from America
US
$5.9 billion.
The US has been offered by Indian Navy. The Indian Navy and Indian Defense System has offered LCA Tejas to the US Navy recently. So it is also like we are also now dealing with.
And US is also offering F-21 and F-16 to us, and they try to establish their factories in India.
Yes.
As you mentioned in your point that India is also implying extra duties on mobile phones, and they are also 29 other products of India that they are planning to increase their duties on that 29 products, so that will give an extra 290 billion benefit to our economy.
Yes, I agree with you, friends. In recent times, India have a deal. PM Mr. Narendra Modi deals with Donald Trump of $3 billion on defense deal, and out of this, the mobile India is a big mobile hub for all the countries. So all big countries like Samsung and many others are going to plant their companies in India. In recently time, Haryana is emerging a big plant of Samsung company. This was situated by America.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. I would like to add India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi have signed recently CONMAS is used in communication and NEMO is used in port and more any defense like Apache, Chinook and M777 and helicopter M777 fighter gun.
And also the different trades, there is also many defense exercises being played by both US and India, like Malabar between Indian Navy and US Navy, Red Flag between and Ops India between Indian Air Force and US Air Force, and UWS, which is regularly played. And in Red Flag, Japan also joined. India sometimes takes part in these exercises.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. The US propaganda is the content over China military and expansion in their GDP, and the US advantage for in relation with India, because India is the largest among the suppliers of young women for the blue collar and white collar job, and India is the largest supplier of the people for the American goods, and it's improved their GDP and generate employment at their homes.
Yes, I agree. As you all know that before 2020, Indian students in American universities and colleges are 81,000. But in a survey of 2020, it is emerging like 2 to 3 more times, and nowadays it become crosses 2 crores. It is the best showing skills in going to outside of country, and they become scientists, most expensive scientists, doctors, and many more. And when they come in India, India is become a developing country, going developing country to a very developed country.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. And American people also love the visit India for, and the American peoples.
I agree with you, friend. Indian people, the US people, like the Indians, we can say there is 6 NATO rank, and there are 71 percentage of like ratio of the all world.
Yes, I agree with you, friend. The Indian students are engaged economy of America, and the top companies, Indian man is CEO, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and India intelligent person.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. I want to further add, in my opinion, after freedom, India has not good relation with the USA, but nowadays India is increasing relation day by day. Main reason of this trade we have with other countries, and India and USA have bilateral trade, and India imports from USA technological aircrafts and computer equipments, and also USA imports from India feed contents, tea, coffee.
Yes, friend, I agree with your point, and I would further like to add that the importance of India is really huge for the America also. Because of the Southeast Asia and the South Asia, India is a strategic partner, and also we see that the importance is so higher that in the past few years we have started the focus to meeting.
Yes, I agree.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. Not only the defense and the South Asian region and the Indo-Pacific region, but also the terrorism attack, because the India and USA both countries suffered from the terrorism attack, and the Syria and Pakistan, Afghanistan, the US Army.
Yes, I agree with you, friends. When we other side we see that why USA is supporting India, because India is the largest importer of defense goods from USA, and after it, in a survey it is found that India is ninth largest good trade market for all over the world. So it is the most expensive reason for USA to being stand with India.
Yes,
India, US and India, they have good relation with each other. They work for peace and stability in whole world. Thank you.
In my opinion, the main qualification of Indo-US relationship that it is the main source of UNSC. So when India becomes a good friend of USA, there will be no problem with any war and peace with world. And on the other hand, when it stands with a developed country, our country is also developing to a developed country. Thanks.
Friends, after listening to your opinions, in my conclusion, I want to say that with the relations, if we talk about the past history, then there have been various ups and downs, but if we see today, then the relations are really very stronger. The events like Howdy Modi and Namaste Trump, these show that the political leaders are really very strong friends. Really good, strong friends also in the defense sector, in the trade sector, everywhere we are doing good. And this is the right time for the India to strengthen these ties with these countries. Also, the quad group with the Japan, Australia, and the USA. Our economy can grow furthermore, and the future is really bright. Thank you. Friends, today's discussion very good. India and USA relationship. We can say that there are from the ancient time there are many ups and downs relationship, whatever. And we can say recently that there are, if you can say that in defense and education also there are good relationships. And we can say that there are COVID-19, during the COVID-19 we can say that India also provided the US hydroxyquinone, which is medicine drugs also provides, and they are good for relationship. We can say that, and it will be if there are good relations both our countries. Thanks.
Hello friends. Friends, we did a nice group discussion. I want to say in conclusion, India and USA have not a good relation in past. Then after then, both countries in good relation in a good manner. In India and USA is important in world because US needs to control in South Asia, and India wants to imagine international and use good technology in wartime. Every country knows that India is emerging as a developing economy and have strategic military power. So US wants to invest in India and like good relation in India because India is a country. So India is a country this who is spying their economy.
In my opinion, the final conclusion in India and US relation, India and US relation is the most important country in India, or country and world. The present time relation is good defense, economics and other platform. India is increased by day and support terrorism, US and
So after listening your all conclusion, so my conclusion on that topic, we know that both countries have good relation from past time to till now. But now the government of America is changed, and now the president is Joe Biden. And but we have also a good profit because the vice president of America is a Kamala Harris, and their native place is India, and they have also joined party from Barack Obama, and Barack Obama has also good relation with our India country. But the main thing is that if India make good relation with America, then they have worldwide power and good relation with all other countries. We have also want a good relation with all other countries and make peaceful and strong country. Thank you.
From my conclusion, both India and US both are have a good relation. someone has interest from you, then they will do the friendship with you and not then don't. So India should become self-relevant on ourselves, and we have to focus on ourselves. And also, not only we should improve our relation not only with America but also with Russia and other countries.
India and USA relationship. USA wants to improve in its relation with India. There are many reasons, like who want to become a powerful country in the US, in the Indian Ocean. And second reason is that India, USA both wants to counter the China. China is the country who prevents the India from going to UNSC seats and to jam.
In my opinion, the past time of the relations between both countries were the part of ups and downs, but in present the relations between both countries are increasing day by day. In terms of trades and defense needs like MOR, MASA and MECA. And the future will be also bright and full of optimism. We should also focus on countries like Russia and also focus on our neighbors. Thank you. After discussing my opinion is that past relation between India and USA is not good, but now getting strategic partnership between them. Recently, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited in America in September 2019. This was held in Houston, Texas, and then after America, President Donald Trump visited in India in February 2020, which was held in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. These are those that not only trade and defense deal, but there is more respect for the relation between two countries. Thank you.
After hearing all your points and opinions, I want to conclude today's GD. As you all know, India and USA relations has been through very ups and downs, and there were always negative and positive points of India, irrespective of their president in power. But we can't deny the fact that Russia and other countries like Iraq and also supported us in many ways. That we are also USA is a superpower, and having relation with them is also good. But we as USA is are saying us that break your trade or please weaken their trade with Russia and Iraq, and they are also saying that purchase the oil from us, not to Iraq, and they are having a dispute in themselves. So India should should have maintained their have to more focus on their sovereignty, and as they have done many points and taken many steps to go some outway from the US by taking more deals with Iraq and
in my opinion, in India and USA relationship are not like politician, defense, health and technology, space and cultural.
शौर्य भारत डिफेंस एग्जाम्स लर्निंग ऐप